It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple at masarap na putahe at alam niyo na yan. Kaya let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
So we are going to do a very simple version of pork steak. Alam natin na gusto-gusto niyo yan. Pero ito, gagamit lang tayo ng oyster sauce as the base of our sauce. Meron akong pork steak, pwedeng tenderloin, pork tenderloin, pwedeng from kasim or pigue, no? What we do is just like season with salt and pepper. Look at that. And of course, I'll just put a little bit of garlic. No? Yan, halo ko na siya and toss, no? Yan, look at that. Very garlicky, you can see. And I have a cast iron pan, pwede namang frying pan. And just some oil. Ito, optional if you want. You can add some butter. I-arrange na natin yung aking pork pieces. Because my pork is thinly sliced, it cooks very quickly. Everything's there. Let it sizzle away. And I'm gonna make the sauce. Sobrang simple ng sauce natin. Para sigurado kayong it's not too salty. Calamansi. Meron akong sugar. White sugar. Just a little bit of white sugar to balance. A little bit of cornstarch. And some water. No? So yung water ko dito is around 1/4 cup. Be sure to dissolve everything. Look at that. My pork is already cooked on one side. Babaliktarin ko lang yung pork. Look at that. Yan, it's brown. Be sure dry yung inyong pork kasi if it's wet, hindi siya magsisir. Meron tayong mushrooms. Yan. And also meron tayong onions. Scatter the onions around our skillet. Luto na yung pork natin. What do? We just pour our sauce over. Yan. And we just let that simmer until everything is cooked through. And we just finish. How do we finish? Just some freshly cracked black pepper on top and some spring onions to garnish. Look at that, guys. Do this at home. A very simple recipe. Sigurado akong masarap at simple. Our version of pork steak, ang ating oyster pork steak, cook in a skillet, pwede din sa frying pan. Gawin nyo to kasi kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!